Good day everyone, my name is Hossein Kasmai, CEO and founder of Franchise Creator. Today we'll take a closer look at one of our clients in the insurance broker and financial planning industry. The founding team behind this concept has years of experience in writing a variety of policies, putting franchisees in good hands when it comes to support. Low overheads, high profit margins, and a very fast build out makes this one of the most appealing opportunities within the insurance industry. Welcome to the Financial Architects.
Hello, my name is Manny Soto. I am the founder and CEO of the Financial Architects. Since 2002, I've been in the financial services sector, and I realized something quite immediate. There were a lot of people that had no clue with what they wanted to do about their financial futures. The question that I normally asked people was, when do you want to have the opportunity not to work anymore? How much money will you need in that scenario to not work anymore? And what if, God forbid, something were to happen to you, which alarmingly would take place for you not to be able to retire in that scenario? I also looked into another fact. There were about 81 million Americans that were all going to retire at some point in time in the future. Now, with the lack of knowledge, coupled with an alarming amount of people that were all on their way to retire, to the tune of close to $70 trillion worth of wealth being passed down from one generation to the next. Over the course of about 25 years, I saw an opportunity. So, what did I do? Like every great entrepreneur, you see an opportunity and you develop a business around that opportunity, which is the Financial Architects. Coming from a not so familiar financial services background, I knew I needed to get some type of training from professionals inside of the industry. Our more than 300% growth in business has not just been attributed to the business need, which is the insurance and retirement planning sector, but also to our business system that's very simple, duplicatable, and predictable when training and implementing inside of the field. Here at the Financial Architects, we have a proven system that will get you from point A to point Z in a systematic way of doing so. Now, whether you go with the first option, which is a in-home business, or whether you go with the second option, which is an actual physical brick and mortar location, it's proven that you can be successful by just following the very easy steps, in my opinion, to follow on a daily basis. We have an on-site 1-week training program that we put you through that's very robust. We cover everything from sales strategies, marketing campaigns, to what is a term insurance policy versus a permanent insurance policy. We'll go through what is a true retirement planning process, as well as the do's and don'ts inside of any driven franchise that's successful. So in that 1-week period of training, you learn a lot about the products, but it doesn't just stop there, because I have training videos. So when you could just press play 17 different times, those videos are going to share with you how to implement a sale and how to properly process that sale. On top of all of this, you get all of the support possible by myself personally and the Financial Architects organization as a whole.
He sets the example. He's not one of those that will just say, hey, this is how you do it. He shows us, and he's very congruent with all the messaging that he has. He goes out there and he's still helping clients, and his passion to make sure that clients are always taken care of, mission before commission, that stands true and tall with everything that he speaks and oozes about his company.
Whether you have an in-home business or whether you own a brick and mortar, you have absolute flexibility on how much money you'd like to make and how many people you'd love to help.
As a single mother of 3 kids, my life can be very hectic at times, very busy, always on the go, and being a franchisee gives me the opportunity and the flexibility to build a team as large as I'd like or as small as I'd like. And the most important thing is that I have the support to do so. If I'd wanted to build a business that was just in a very, very large scale, I have all the support that I need to do that.
Doesn't matter what your business model is, we're very adaptable here at the Financial Architects to make all of your business goals come true.
I needed to add more services to my business. So I went out, interviewed companies, and I found the Financial Architects, which has been a great mesh in regards to their culture, their beliefs, and the system is just off the charts in regards to what I was looking for my business. It has lifted my company up, and it has helped me take care of my clients with a lot more financial services.
Believe it or not, even though it's financial planning and insurance, we are a ton of fun and a very progressive company, which I really think is important, especially in our industry. Not a lot of firms are progressive, and I think that's one of the things that separates us from our competition.
In financial services, there's legitimately no overhead on the insurance side. Let me repeat that. No overhead on the insurance side. The product providers will give you everything for free. So getting into a business like that, knowing that there's a massive need for insurance and retirement planning, and then having these massive multi-million and multi-billion dollar product providers to support you in a system that I can provide you with is an unbelievable marriage to make happen. To finance a home-based franchise starts at $31,600 with a one-time franchise fee of $24,900, while the brick and mortar model starts at $42,950 with a franchise fee of $34,900. Your investment will provide you with our training program, office equipment, franchise development fees, and a 3-month capital reserve. Whether you have chosen the in-home opportunity with our company or the brick and mortar option with that franchise, you get residual income here. So there's an incentive to do the right thing for your client, as well as keep in close connection with that particular client. But I have to tell you guys, I love working from home. See, everybody has their comfy clothes to put themselves into, and if you could do some professional work at the same time, it just makes sense. So again, whether you chose the work at home business opportunity or you chose the work away in a brick and mortar, we'd love an opportunity to create more successful business owners just like you and I.
To find more information about this exciting opportunity, please visit their website at tfainsuranceadvisors.com, our website at franchisecreator.com, or simply email us info@franchisecreator.com.